everyone, it's us here again, and today we are doing part 2 of frequently asked questions.
Now remember, these questions are not included in your contract.
Yeah, so please listen up.
Yes. Question number 1. Where do teachers need to go for the visa?
Very good question. So, now this depends on where you work. For teachers working at Denla Pekasem, Pasita, Paderm, Santa Cruz, Nimpapan, Watana, and coaching English, you all need to go to the Changwatana immigration. But if you work at Denla Rama 5, then you need to go to the Nonthaburi immigration.
Wow. Joel, where do teachers need to go for the work permit?
Another good question. Now this again depends on what school you work at. For teachers working at Denla Pekasem, Pasita, Paderm, Nimpapan, you all need to go to the Sai Tai Labor Department. But for teachers working at Santa Cruz, you need to go to the Pata Labor Department. And lastly, for teachers working at Watana, you need to go to the Bangna Tani Labor Department.
What do you know about those schools?
We're rolling.
Joel!
Wow, gave me a fright.
Yes. How long does the medical test take, or medical check take?
Now, usually it will take between 1 and 2 hours, but in special circumstances it can take longer than that. But usually it's between 1 and 2 hours.
Okay, now, next question. Where does a teacher have to go for the medical check? And what is the most important result on that test?
So most hospitals will offer these tests to receive your work permit, and this can be done at a range of different hospitals. And the most important result that the company is looking for to obtain your work permit is the syphilis test.
Joel, I've heard of this thing called Tickle Monkey 6. Oh no, wait, TM6.
A TM6. Yes, a TM6 is a little white piece of paper that you will receive when you enter Thailand or when you depart Thailand. It's called an arrival or a departure card. Now please remember, this document is very, very important. If you lose this document, you must go to the police station and report it lost so you can get a new one which you will receive from the Montong police station.
Okay, I've also heard of this thing called Tickle Monkey 30. TM30.
Oh, a TM30. Now this is the notification of residence. This means that your landlord will have to notify immigration that you have indeed moved into a residence in Thailand, and this must be done within 24 hours of moving into that residence. It's basically proof that you are indeed staying in Thailand. So please remember to remind your landlords that when you move in, please may they do a TM30.
Joel, next question. Where can a teacher do a police check?
So you can do your police clearance check at the Royal Thai Police Station in Building 7. And the Royal Thai Police Station is only a 2-minute walk from Siam BTS. It's very easily accessible.
Next question. Where can a teacher legalize degree and transcripts?
So you can legalize your degree and your transcripts at the Thai Consular Affairs building.
Where is the Thai Consulate Affairs building?
That is near the Changwatana Immigration Building. Okay.
Wow, Changwatana, do you know about police checks? Joel, next question. What sizes of photographs do I need for my paperwork?
So when dealing with paperwork like your work permit or your visas in Thailand, you generally need 2 sizes of photos. You need either a 3x4 centimeter photo or a 4x6 centimeter photo.
Next, if a teacher forgets to extend the visa, how much will they be fined for?
So if a teacher forgets to extend your visas or their visas, then they will be labeled as an overstay. Okay, an overstay, that's a very unpopular term, so please remember to extend. But if you forget, you'll be labeled as an overstay and you'll be fined 500 baht per day. So 500 baht each day that you have overstayed.
Joel, next question. Before applying for a non-B visa, how many days should I have remaining on my old visa?
Very good question, Scott. So, to get your new visa, you need to have at least 15 days remaining on your current visa.
Okay. And how many days to extend my visa in advance?
So, before you can extend your visa, you need to apply at least 30 days in advance, okay? 30 days in advance.
Yes.
So that brings us to the end of these frequently asked questions. Thank you so much for watching. This was part 2 of the frequently asked questions. And remember, if you do have any more questions, they can ask
Scott and Joel.
Hey.
Cop and Cab.
Yeah.